Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at a very nice 2015 Honda CRF250L. This is Honda's mid-size dual sport motorcycle. Has a 249cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Very low miles on it, only 1787 miles on the odometer. This CRF250L is a great freeway legal dual sport. Great around town, in and out of traffic really easy. Fuel injected 250 makes very smooth power. Great on the fuel. Lightweight, easy to handle. And a great deal at only $37.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.